Hello. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the 2D drawings of your assignment number 2. First, let's start with an IDW file, ncmm.idw. Don't use DWG. I saw some students use DWG. For inventor, please use IDW file, right? Click Create. First, change this right click, edit sheet size, change this to B, and click OK. And insert the isometric view base. So click on isometric. I'm gonna put it here, not here. Cancel. Base. Isometric. Make sure your cursor is inside this box and put this here. This is your isometric view. And click OK. And next, I'm gonna save this with the default name. Click Save. Next, I'm gonna create an create an IPN file, right? I'm gonna create new file, new IPN file, standard mm.ipn create. I'm gonna select this assembly file, click open, and then tweak the components. First, I'm gonna select this file, tweak. I'm gonna tweak this, make this here. And next, I'm gonna create this file, and I'm gonna tweak it, move this to the right. Leave more space because you have few other components. And click on this file, move this, and you rotate a little bit, select the other file. Right click, not right click. You hold the shift key and middle mouse wheel, select this file, and go back to isometric, and you're gonna tweak this file. And for the other part, so make it upwards. Hold your shift key and the middle mouse wheel. Where is my second part? Why is I think my assembly has problems. You see, I have both of them assembled in the same location. I'm gonna control Z. Okay. Gonna save this file first. Click save. I'm gonna go back to my assembly. Yes, see, I don't have the second part at the bottom, so both of them are on the top. So I'm gonna just change one mate, make this to be an, I'm gonna edit. Okay, I'm gonna edit this, make this flush. So this one will jump to the bottom. Click OK, and click Save. Let's go back to my IPN file. Go back to the isometric view. I need to rotate again. I think the first part is wrong as well. I'm gonna correct that after. Select this file. Go to the tweak and hold this to move this. And next, I'm gonna select this file and make this upwards. Hold Shift and rotate. Select this file. Go back to isometric view again and hold this direction. Make this tweak. And yeah, click Finish. Save. All right. Now let's fix this one. You see, if you go to this direction, you're gonna see this is in the wrong direction. All right. Let's go back to isometric. I'm gonna find the first tweak. Click on the cross here. Click on tweaks. The first tweak is in the wrong direction. All right. So I'm gonna just edit this tweak, and I'm gonna actually, yeah, I cannot change the direction and neutrals. All right, so I'm gonna just delete this tweak and retweak it, right? Delete it. Okay, go to isometric, select this file and tweak. Make sure you select the correct direction now. This is correct direction. You see, now it's good. All right, click OK and go back to isometric, right? Now I'm gonna create a snapshot, all right? New snapshot, click, and this is gonna be the view you're gonna see if you insert the IPN file in your IDW file. Save. Let's go back to the IDW file base. See, by default, it's like this. I'm gonna make this a little bit larger. So make this 124. A little bit too big. I think this should be fine. Like this, we have enough space for the parts list. 124 is good. So click OK. I'm gonna add the parts list. Go to annotate, go to parts list, select the view, select OK. The BOM view is disabled in the reference assembly. The BOM view must be enabled to proceed. Do you wish to enable BOM view? Yes, okay. All right. And you click on the corner. I'm gonna hide this view, right? From the instructions, we know we need to have this first page isometric view. Oh, sorry, no, the parts list include the parts list includes the item, quantity, part number, material, and mass. All right. So item number, quantity, part number, material, and mass. So double click on the parts list, select the column chooser. I'm gonna remove description. Click here and type M to find the material. Material, add, and mass, add. All right. Click OK. Now I have the material added, right? Why I have appearance, all right? I'm gonna remove the appearance, remove the description, remove, and click OK. Yeah, these are the things I need, all right? So I have mass, I have material. Next, I'm gonna change the material. So for the cylinder, let's change this to, let's say 1030 hot rolled steel, right? So just use SAE 1030, double click, HRS, all right? For the rest, so it's ASTM 10DC hot rolled steel, right? Control C, go back to the inventor file, double click to paste on all the other components, right? So this is for the parts list. Click OK. The material is not long enough, so this cell, so I'm going to move it longer to fit in one row. Let's just adjust a little bit the width for each column to make it looks nice. All right, and then I'm gonna save again and add parts list, add balloons. All right, so the balloons, click on balloon. So this is item 5. This is item 4. Item 6. Right click, click, drag, click, right click, continue. All right, click, drag, click, right click, continue. Click, click, right click, continue. All right. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we have all 6 of them. Save, as I mentioned in the click OK. as in the last video, you can double click and check the balloons here. If all the rows have the balloons in front, it means all the item has been ballooned. Click OK for the parts list. For the title block, I'm gonna click on the app properties, change this to my name, and change this title to M22 assignment to reduction header, right? Reduction header, right? Click OK. Now you have this. Click Save. Again, so for the second page, second sheet, right click here, a new sheet. So for the second sheet, we need to have full section front view and side view, right? So I'm gonna add side view first in this case. Place view, base. So I'm gonna select the IAM file from this list, and this is the view I want to select. No, the other view, right? This is the view I want to select, right? This is the side view, and I want this to be larger. Let's say 124 is good. Yeah, 124 is good. All right. And for the front view, I need a section view. So I'm gonna just drag this to the right a little bit and click OK. Yeah, and I'm gonna create a front view by using the section view command. So I'm gonna click section, click on the view, select. No, don't click, but when you see the middle point, you just drag a little bit down and click, and then going up and click, right click, create, continue, sorry, not create. Yeah, this is the right direction. Click, you'll have the front view. But not finished yet. It says we need to have a broken break view to make it shorter, right? So I'm gonna use the break command. Select this view. So I'm gonna use the this type of break line, structural style, and click here. You can just drag these to make it longer or shorter, right? Let's say we're gonna cut this much, all right? If you want to change the location, you can just move these, make it shorter, right? So this is then a reasonable length. So I'm gonna save again. Next, I'm gonna add dimensions according to the drawing. So first, I'm gonna add the front view. So go to annotate. So this is an from here to here is 230 dimension. Didn't click on dimension. From here to here. Let me see if I can just pick directly on the line. All right, dimension. No, I cannot pick the line here. No. So I need to select the top and the bottom. Okay, so this is 220. It can find out this is an diameter, right? Next is the thickness of this part. So this is 10. All right, good. Next is the overall dimension, 550. From this endpoint, actually, better don't select point. I'm going to select the. Actually, you can select point for this case because this is an linear dimension. So 558. Why we have 5? Okay, I picked the wrong line. It should be from here to here to here. All right, to this line. All right, 550. All right, and next is 22 from here. 22 from here. And 8 for here, right? 8 over here. And we have 8 millimeters for the thickness, so you can put in the same location. So escape, but make sure you don't put the value inside the view. All right, so this is 180. So from here to here is 180. Same thing, escape, and you can check this outside. So yeah, just put this to the lower side. Okay, and let's move this a little bit. All right, and next is the dimension of 62. 62. 62. So I'm gonna give a dimension here, 62 for here, right? 62. So I'm gonna drag this, escape. So I'm gonna click the to add and make sure it's in front, add a symbol of phi. All right. Okay, this is the diameter. So I'm gonna drag this to outside the view. All right. And another hole is 40. So this is 40. And this is 58. From here to here is 58. And I have a chamfer here. So add the chamfer now, 1.5, 45 degrees. Next is the 22 we have here. Yeah, another 22 here. So gonna be from here to here. Let's make this 22. Okay. And 62, we have dimensions here. Yeah, we have another dimension which is 80 from this here to here. This is 80. 80. And I think that's all the dimensions for the front view. For the side view, all right. For the side view, I should have added a center line for the front view for sure. Okay, I'm gonna add it now. And for all the holes, you should have center lines as well, all right? Actually, you can use this one. Click the view, and I'm gonna add a center line here for this view. See, for the object in view axis parallel. Click OK. So you see it automatically add the holes, add the center line for the holes. All right. Next, I'm gonna add the center mark for this, and I'm gonna add the this. This is the circular pattern holes. So I'm gonna select this one first and select this one. I don't see that one, but I have this one. I have this one. Right click, create. Now I should have drag this, make this connected, right? So yeah, for these two, I'm gonna just add the two center marks here, and I'm gonna add dimensions. Um, so I'm gonna show this. Yeah, this is 20. So I add a dimension here from here to here is 20, and from here to here is 152. And the overall is 304, and this is also 20. From here to here is also 20. Escape, select this and drag to the lower part. All right. And for the hose, all right. For the hose, not yet finished. So I have a chamfer here. So for the chamfer, I'm gonna add a chamfer here. Click here and here, chamfer, and so you can double click and change this to 4 corners. All right, 4 corners, or yeah, you can just 4 corners as the same as given, or just type typ dot typical, right? 4 corners, or you can make this a second row, okay, like this. We have the dimension here, which is 40, and from here to the center is 40. Escape, put it here, and the other dimension is from here to here is 80, right? So the rest are the holes, right? We have the last dimension for the circle is this full circle, right? 204. I don't see the holes. Okay, double click the view, and I'm gonna show the display options. Threaded features. Okay, in this display options, if you check thread features, you're gonna see the hidden lines. Let me see why it's not show. It's update. Yeah, now it shows. See, you have the hidden lines, right? Right, I have all the features, hidden features, and now I gonna add the whole dimensions. So I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna find a location where it's easier to put. I'm gonna put it here, right? Okay. Now, actually, I want this to be through. It's not 20 depths. So thread. Thread is. I'm gonna go back to the part. I'm gonna edit this. Now this part. I'm gonna edit this part. Double click to edit. Actually, this whole right click, edit feature. So this is not 20 minutes. It should be gonna be a full depth. All right. Let's say 20. Let me see how I'm gonna edit this. Edit feature. So this is through hole. This is left right d5 is 20. So this thickness is 10. Actually, thickness is 10. I cannot have a 20. So it's a full thread. I don't have termination. Even if I gave it a termination, it's same thing. I still need to assign it. This is 10. All right. The thickness of the pipe is 10. I don't have an option to give it a full thread, but I'm gonna give it 10 because you see the thickness of the part. Update, return, and save. All right. Let's go back to the drawing file, save, update, and save again. Um, so I have 6 of them. So okay, so I'm gonna click here to add the quantity. This is the quantity nodes. Click OK. So 6 times of them, right? And for this whole command, I'm gonna type here. Same thing. This is 28. It's not reasonable. So I'd go back to this one. Double click here. So the thickness of this plate is 8. So I'm gonna just change this to 8. That's right. All right. Edit feature. I'm gonna change this to 8. It's now 28. 28 is too big. All right. Don't have a 28 thickness. Return, save, and go back to the IDW file. Okay. So now it's updated. Double click, add the quantity. Click OK. And this is the other hole, right? So we have all the dimensions. Now we're gonna add the most important part for this module, the welding symbols, all right? So for A, I have a welding symbol here. For A is Bible weld all around arrow side, ground flash, the welding seam. Okay, this is A, all right? Go back. Welding symbol. A. Click here. You can have a band here. Let's make a band. Click, right click, continue. This is only one side, arrow side, Bible weld. So this is Bible weld, right? Hold on. Bible weld, Bible groove weld, and all around. And what else? Bible weld all around. Arrow side, grand flash, grand flash. So first gonna be flash, and then grinding, right? So grinding is hold on, pleasing. I think should have an angle gap length G. So I'm gonna say grinding here. Click OK. So this is for A. Y is 3. So it's no. This is the size is 3. Yeah, size is 3. Let's see. Do we have the size? No, we don't have the size. All right, so I'm gonna remove the size. Click OK. This is for position A. For position 8, so this is the same thing here. So this is same thing here. Yeah, so same thing here. So welding symbol here. Click, right click, continue. Yeah, so I'm gonna click OK. So this is my upper. Another position A, and same thing here. So here is also position A, welding symbol. So this one, I'm gonna make it longer. Put it here, right click, click, continue. Same thing here. All right, so this is position A. What else? We have position B. B is here, and yeah, we have two times and here. B is 4 millimeters. B is 4 millimeters fitted weld all around. So we're gonna have a B. First one is here. Click, continue, right click, continue. This is fitted weld, 4 millimeters, and all around, right? We don't have this information, nothing. Okay, click Okay. And another part is here, right? B, put it here, right click, continue, click OK. Let's make this a little bit further, or if you like, you can put it here, right? You can double click and make this into 2 lines, all right? Click OK, all right? So this is my note here, all right? So another location for B is here. We're gonna wild symbol here. We can have a button here if you need. Click, right click, click. Okay, so this is position B. Let me check if we have any other location for B. Go back to the drawing here. There'll be here, here, here. Yeah, that's for B. For C is here. So we need to see the routing for the hidden lines for this view, right? So I'm gonna double click and show the hidden lines. All right, click here to show the hidden lines. This is not normal because this is assembly. We shouldn't show the hidden lines. But this drawing, we added dimensions on this assembly drawing. So we're gonna show the hidden lines. I'm gonna add routing symbol for location C. For location C, what type of routing is V groove route all around arrow side, not all around. V groove route arrow side, grand flash. Okay, click. C is here. All right. Click. Right click. Continue. This is V groove route. Flash, right, branding. Click OK. No dimension here, right? Don't have a dimension here. Click OK. So for position C, yeah, that's the only position. And for position D, so let's go back to this Word document. Position D is 4mm fitted weld all around. So this is C and this is D, all right? This is D, so I'm gonna add another welding symbol for location D. Click here, right click, 4mm all around. All right, this is fitted weld, 4mm all around. Click no branding, nothing. Click OK. All right, for position D, 4mm fitted weld all around. Yes. Okay, so determine the circumference. Okay, for the circumference of the phi 180, so you just do the calculation. C equals pi d. So you just use the pi times 3.142. All right, so you're gonna have the dimension. For I think this hole has 550 hole. Where is 550 hole? This is not 550. 540 hole. 550. 558. Let me. So this should be 558. Not 550. All right. 58. All right. 558 has a tolerance. This tolerance is plus 0 minus 0.4, right? So we need to have the tolerance for this dimension. Double click here, add a tolerance. So gonna be a deviation plus 0 minus 0.4, right? Click OK. So this is the tolerance for, you can drag a little bit, make it, you can change to horizontal in this case. Okay. You have too many dimensions, so a little bit crowding, right? Actually, for all the asymmetric files, your dimensions value should always be horizontal, right? So since the we have some problem with changing of the inventor template for the metric template. So yeah, let's just use the default, use the vertical value, that's fine for the vertical dimensions. All right. Last is to add the node. All right, so I'm gonna copy the node, right click, copy, and gonna put your node here. All right. Yeah, we're gonna move this a little bit. So first we're gonna add a text here. We're gonna put it here. This is our node, A, B, C, D, E. Okay. And we're gonna change this size. Let's say we're gonna change this to 3.17, make it a little bit larger. So just adjust the, let's see, we have enough space. Yeah, for the first, okay. So we're gonna just hit enter here, make it shorter, backspace, and do it again, enter, backspace. So this will be fine. Okay, and we click OK. All right, so this is your node. Now you can add a line telling the reader that this is the node. All right, now let's go sim A. So this is A. Okay, A. A. This is A. B. C. D. E. And F. Right. Okay, so this is your notes. You can put the notes here, right? And click OK. So this is, I think, yeah, just move your view a little bit to better use the space, right? So this is your drawing. Save, update, save, and click OK. This finishes your 2D drawing.